We are proud to have you at MakersPlace. We are on a mission of making computing accessible to children in all communities, and you are part of the goal of making that a reality. So, BIS is the first K-12 school to visit MakersPlace and utilize our ecosystem lab.
We took them through building a robot, programming a robot, and then they had a chance to work on the first level league table where they tried to complete some of the missions on the table.
I currently find myself at MakersPlace where I came with children to tour the facility, and it's been an eye-opener. We've built robots, we've toured the lab, and we've enjoyed ourselves.
During the tour session, they were introduced to some of the hardware in the lab, like the Arduino starter kit, the microbit discovery kit, and the microbit microcontroller itself. They were also privileged to have a hands-on session where they used the EV3 to build a base robot, program it, and have fun with it.
We are grateful to the management of British International School for this opportunity to collaborate with MakersPlace, and the teachers for bringing the students to MakersPlace. We are so grateful, and we will continue to welcome more ecosystem partners and schools to visit our lab for a wonderful experience.
My experience was phenomenal. My experience was amazing.
Would you love to come back again?
Yes!